If you have the Samsung S25 Ultra and you're looking for like a military grade tactical case, check this one out. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is from a Sup case. So first off, I mean, wow, look at that red finish to it. It is really nice. It really pops. And it comes with a protective film case on it, so you can use it with the film, or you can actually just use it without it, because it also just comes with the framing, just like so. So let's just go ahead and pop the phone in. Well, I'll show you what it looks like with the protective film. So you take this back here, take that off there. There's still a spot for your fingerprint to scan. So you can use it that way, pop your phone in there, or you can use it with just the frame like that. So we're just going to use it with the frame. So we're going to pop that, pop your phone into there. So why you need a case in case you drop it. It's got really nice protection here. You can feel it nice and soft and very cushy. So we'll pop the phone in. Make sure it's good on all sides here. And it has a flap for USB-C, so you can keep that covered in case there's dirt or lint or whatever. You still have access to your stylus, but also gives you airbag cushions on the corners and still on that one. So when you drop it, it keeps it protected that way. On the back, you can see it has little extra rubber little spots for in case you drop it on that part on the back. And it has this kickstand that can pop down. Well, there's like a little honeycomb design on the bottom of that to make it really strong. So that pops into place. You can set it down and watch your videos in landscape or portrait, and that will lay flat. So really nice and strong case, very sturdy. And yeah, you have the screen protector if you want that. I love that red finish. It's really awesome. Also, if you want the clip, it comes with that. They recommend going in the screen first, just to make sure it's more protected. That way, if you are like out on a job site, debris flying around or something like that, that'll keep it very safe. And I love that this thing can turn. It's not easy to turn, like you just have to put a little bit of force into it, but clip this on your belt buckle or whatever you need to, and you can do it that way. I mean, you can flip it around and put it in that way as well. But this is the more protected way. All in all, really, really nice, beautiful case. Perfect to keep your S25 Ultra safe with that military grade case. Yeah, it's just awesome. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.